Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I'm back. Yiddy. Well, I have this 2017 Toyota Rav4 2.5 liter engine, and I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. I have the 2018 how to reset the oil life. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the oil life reset in this video. I'm gonna do it just for you. Just because the fan is requesting that part. How to do the oil life reset in this Rav4 2017, and you're gonna see the difference if it's the same or if it's different from the 18 Toyota Rav4. I believe it's the same because as you can see, I have the same thing right here. But well, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Alright, hit the like button, bang it hard, and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video, how to do the oil change, and enjoy it. I hope you like it, and let's get it. Come with me, do the oil change in this vehicle. how you doing? How y'all doing? Welcome back. I'm back. Stu is back. Yeah, I mean, you know. Well, I hope you like the video how to do the oil change. I put 4.5 quarts synthetic oil, 0W20. It's hybrid, by the way. I forgot to mention that this vehicle is hybrid. Alright. You know what that means? You know what that means? It means that you gotta set the maintenance life, aka oil life. Yeah, I mean. Alright, so you see the message, right? Subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about my videos. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. Let me know what you think about anything you see in this video. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna hold you out no more. I still gotta go, and I catch you in the next one. I still, boom. Hey.